Hi, this video is to show you how to use Trello. And very quickly, Trello is it's just a website that it allows people basically to plan. And it's great if you're using it for a long-term project, possibly like a portfolio or maybe a research internal, where you want to really work out, what are all the different steps that I have to do, and it allows you to visually see how you're progressing through each individual step, which allows you to hand in the whole internal on the right day. So I've used it, and lots of your teachers use it, and I strongly suggest you give it a go. And you can use it, not just for school work as well. Lots of people use it um, for their businesses or possibly doing a family vacation. Whatever you need to use it for, it's there. So I'm on the main board or the main website. Um, Here are my boards that I've made in the past. Um, Today I'll show you just how to make a brand new one though. So you go up to the plus sign, click it, and I'm going to just create a board. You can collaborate, so you can work with multiple people on the same board. So if you're in a team and you're doing a team project, that's probably your best option. But right now, we'll just do create a board. And we're going to give it a title. So we can do research project. For now, no team. I can make it private or public. It's up to you. If you want, you can choose nice fancy logo. I like where it's at right now. Create board. Okay. So there's a variety of ways you can set it up, and essentially you want to set it up so it just naturally fits with how you think. That's the goal. Right? So make this the way your brain works. Okay. Now, in my case, the easiest way to do it for me is say to-do list. Uh, Working on, completed. Right? And so, obviously, when you start a project, whether it's a portfolio or your research internals, everything's going to be in your to-do list. So to add something to that list, you just click add a card. And so I'm going to say, research plan. Prepare for field trip. Equipment. Collect data. To present it, you might do your write-up. See, and your list can be as long as you want, or as short as you want. And then let's say I've worked on my research plan, so I'm working on it. I can say I drag it over, and now it's in the working on stage. And let's say it's been checked by my teacher and it's been given the all go. So now my research plan is complete. And if something's complete, then theoretically you should be working on, the next thing, and so on. And you might be working on a variety of different things. So, prepare for field trips, done. You've collected the data, and you're also working on presenting that data at the same time, right? And so on. And eventually, everything should at the end, be over in the completed box. And so this is just one example of how you can, in a very visual way, in a very easy way, keep track of how you're progressing through some of your internals. Hope this helps. Bye.